Okay naman.
Okay lang.
Alright. Isang mapagpalang hapon po sa inyo lahat and welcome back to our live. Well, oh.
Hello, sound
Sa
check.
account ko, no?
Oh. Let's go, rep. Lakot.
Ano yung ganito?
Nasa 1K. Pero may isa pang baterya na. Ganito kalaki rin. Okay, alright. Magsisimula na po tayo ng ating first game. This is the battle between El Viola versus the Marne TM. Ayan. Muli, maraming salamat po.
Uy! Kailangan yung cameraman!
Sa ating putihing Coach Tay Teodoro who is invited me here. May cover up ang Barangay St. Joseph Basketball League. Alright. Means
Foul.
there's a foul.
Foul number 10. First personal foul. First team foul.
Gets the 3. No. Rebound by number 17. Viola. Pascual. Nasa corner. Pass number 17. Out of bounds.
Viola ball.
Viola basketball.
10 seconds shot clock.
From the corner, 3 short. Number 3, pass to Aquino. Steal ng Viola. Uy, spin, what a nice. And the first basket mula sa El Viola. 2-0. Number 7 for 3, miss. Rebound by number 27. Isaiah Pascual. Pass to Onin. Uy. And a step in on the line. Marne basketball. Number 2. Teodoro. Number 3. Pass to Teodoro for 3 short.
No good.
And out of bounds.
13 seconds shot clock.
13-second shot clock to shoot. Oh, correction.
Viola ball.
El Viola basketball. Sayas. Kick out for 3 short.
No good.
For a save. Nakarecover ang El Viola.
No good.
Hook shot. Running shot. Miss. Rebound by Aquino. Ayan na ang Marne. Paso Aquino. What a nice move.
Aquino.
For Aquino. All 2. Pascual, pass number 10. Number 7. Number no. Rebound ng Marne.
Blaser.
Laser, kick out. Morales, wide open shot. No. Oh, munti ka na magawan.
Substitution.
El Viola basketball. Time remaining. Seven minutes and 5 seconds. Number 10, drive basket. Paimayan. Laser. From the corner, 3. No. Rebound by number 7. Isaiah for 3, short. Steal by Aquino. Pass to Blaser, 2 against 1. What an extra pass. Blaser. Assist by Aquino, all 4. Number 7, up and under, basket for El Viola. Mercado from the corner. Blaser with the ball. Blaser with the steal. Pass to Isaiah. 1-on-1. 2 against 1. Pascual. Basket.
Official score
8-4.
in favor of Viola.
Oh.
Kaninong anak yan?
Official time out na tayo.
Warning ha, delaying the game.
Warning, Raven, for delaying the game.
Ito batok. Magkabit lang.
From the corner, jump shot, no good. And out of bounds.
Viola ball,
El Viola basketball.
Ay, yung ano, step father, oh. Ay, tatay, oh. Oh, step
Oh,
father.
nice. By Pancha. Ten 4. Favor of El Viola. Blaser, step back 3. Yes, sir.
Blaser, 3.
For Blaser, 10-7. On in, Nino.
10 seconds shot left. No good.
Rebound by Aquino. And a steal. What extra pass to number 17. On in. Oranino Pascual. 12-7. From the corner. Pass to number 15. Sorry, that's the 45. Wide open shot. Bam! 3.
Mayero, 3.
Ayan na. Baba sa dalawang lamang ng El Viola. 12-10. Last court pass. Top of the key for 3. Wala. Rebound. And out of bounds. Last touch. Blue ball. Floater. Miss. And a steal. Ayan na si Blaser. 2 against 2. Kick out. Mercado wide open shot. Mula. Rebound ng mga naka-blue. To number 25.
10 seconds shot clock.
Isaiah to number 7. 4-3. No good. Rebound ng Marne. Stop and pump for 3. Yes, sir. For Mercado. Change favor. Lamang na ang Marne ng isa. 13-12. Number 10. Setting on the play. Last ng Isaiah. At the post. Nino. Oh, there's a foul. Pascual shooting for 2. On in. Pascual. Time remaining 2 minutes and 53 seconds remaining. Basket all 13. Kick out. Mercado gets a foul. 3 points yun for Mercado.
Number 25.
Foul si
First
Isaiah
personal foul.
Pascual.
Second team foul.
Shot para kay Mercado. No good. Second shot, wala. Ayan na. Wala pa rin. Ang ikalawa. Tingnan natin sa ikatlo. Wala pa rin. And a steal for El Viola. Oh, official timeout.
Shot clock.
17-second shot clock to shoot. Oh, and a steal. Number 66 all the way. Basket for Mercado. Oh, what a nice defense for Mercado.
One more.
Marnie basketball.
10 seconds shot clock.
Mercado plus 2 Blaser for 3. Wala. And gets a rebound. And a foul.
Foul, number 45.
Number
Second
45.
personal foul, second team foul.
That is second personal foul, second team foul. Isaiah, pass the corner, jump shot short. Number 5, basket.
By number
Is
1.
good. Ay, Coach. Dogs. Mercado. Kick out, pass to Blaser, floater, basket. For Blaser. Balik ulit ang kalamangan sa Marne. Timeout muna ang El Viola. Viola.
1 minute and 44 seconds.
In the time remaining, 1 minute and 44 seconds. Para sa ating first period, tingnan natin ang timeout ng El Viola. Back to the ball game. Time remaining 1 minute and 44 seconds. Para sa ating first period, lamang ng dalawa ang Marne. Number 8. Pass to number 7. Wide open shot. In and out. Rebound. Ayan na ang Marne. Nagmamadali. Kick out. Na Mercado for 3. Wala. And a steal. Number 45. Short. And out of bounds. Marnie basketball. Mercado at the post. Number 45. Oh, in and out. And out of bounds. Same ball.
Volleyball. 13-second shot clock.
14-second shot clock. Mercado.
10 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot. 8, 7,
5 seconds.
4, 3. Short. Rebound. Mga koridor ng El Viola. Pascual derecho. No good. Another offensive rebound. Wala pa rin. Number 8. And gets a offensive foul.
Foul number 8. First
Number 8.
personal foul. 13 foul.
May halo tulap.
37
Number 8.
seconds remaining time.
Last 47 seconds sa ating first period. Ayan na, bola dito ng Marnie. Kick out. Mercado for 3. In and out. Rebound, steal. By
30
Pascual.
seconds.
Pass number 8. Pass to number 7. Umatake. Wala. Another rebound. Number 8. Wala pa rin.
20 seconds.
Number 18. Bad pass.
15 seconds. Remaining time. 15 seconds.
Last 15 seconds.
10
10
seconds.
seconds to shoot. Pascual, lubos ang oras.
5 seconds.
Wide open shot. Bam! 3.
End of the first quarter.
End of the first quarter.
18-17 in favor of Lower Viola.
18-17, change favor. Lamang na ulit ang El Viola sa pagtatapos ng first period. Tayo na daw na sa ating second set or second quarter. Nabaliktad pa ng El Viola ang pagtatapos ng first period.
Back to the ballgame.
Back to the ball game. Bola rito ng Marnie. Number 77, pass to Mercado. Back to number 77. Crossover, biligay sa corner. Jump shot, using the
Basket
glass.
by Mono.
Basket para kay Mayono. Balik ulit ang kalamangan sa Marnie. 18-19. Pascual for 3. Wala. Rebound by Aquino. Aquino, pass number 71. Drop pass or extra pass. Bad and a steal for El Viola. Number 7. Running shot. Basket.
Basket by Lumagi.
Balik ulit ang kalamangan sa El Viola. 20-19. From the 3, wala. Rebound by number 2. And there's a foul by
Foul
Olin.
number 5.
Oh, sorry, that's number 5.
First personal foul. First team foul.
And the free throw area, number 2.
Basket.
First shot is good. All 20. Second shot, basket.
Basket by Chidoro.
2 for 2 for Chidoro. 21-20. Pascual. Pass to Pascual Onin. To Isaiah.
10
Pass to
seconds.
Onin. What a nice reverse layup by number 7. Sagutan lang ng puntos ang magkabilang panig. Number 71. Mayono for 3. No good. And
Volleyball. 11 seconds.
out of
shot
bounds.
clock.
Same ball. 11-second shot clock. Kick out. Ooh, in and out. And out of bounds.
Volleyball.
El Viola basketball. 8 minutes and 21. Pascual. Back to Isaiah. Setting on the play. Number 7, wide open. No good. Rebound.
10 seconds.
Running shot. Basket.
Basket by Pancha.
By Pancha. Number 30. Wait lang. There's a foul.
Substitution. Happy birthday po, Kuya Jun Mercado.
Yun, happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday.
Yun, oh. Reverse layup for Aquino. 24,
Magpakatapos
23.
lang, Kuya Jun.
And happy birthday, good Jun. Eh, nakapula pa siya. Cross court pass, Onin. Pascual. Back to Isaiah, miss.
Basket by
Oy!
Pancha.
Basket by Pancha. 26-23. Blaser. Pass to Aquino. And naka-recover ang Marne.
10 seconds.
Number 71. Crossover. Spin. Drive. Bad pass.
Viola ball.
El Viola basketball. (26-23).
10 seconds.
Pascual, Hesi. Uy! Naka-recover. Up and under. Wala. Rebound. Makuha ni Blaser. And a steal. Fake drive. Walang tawag. Rebound by Aquino. Pass to Blaser. Oy, good defense for El Viola.
Substitution. Wowo.
Jump shot, no.
Basket
Reverse
by Morales.
by Morales. (26-25).
10 seconds.
Pass number 10, wide open. Oh, in and out, good. Rebound and a steal.
Basket
Running
by
shot
Randy Pancha.
by Pancha. Ayun na si Blaser. Derecho.
Basket by
Basket.
Blaser. Timeout. Viola.
Timeout, El Viola. Time remaining 5 minutes and 51 seconds. 28-27. Tingnan muna natin ang timeout ng El Viola. Back to the ball game. Digita lang ang laban. 28-27. Kaya sa mga kakatsunin lamang po, this is the battle for third place sa ating St. Joseph Basketball League 2026. No good. Rebound. Mercado. Pass to Blaser. To Aquino. Cross-court pass to Mercado.
10 seconds.
Mercado, alley-oop. Uy, steal. Bayonin. Pascual. Diskarte. Pascual, drive.
Basket
Oh,
by
what a
Liam
nice move for Onin. Pascual. 30-27. 3-point lead para sa El Viola. Babawi sa 3. Short.
Substitution.
And substitution. Remaining time 4 minutes and 53. Bola dito ng El Viola. Number 8. Pass number 7. Drive. To number 7. Floater basket. By Lumagi. 32-27. Balik sa lamang ng El Viola. Aquino, bounce pass.
Substitution.
Mayono again,
10
coming in.
seconds shot clock.
10-second shot clock. Aquino. Pass to Mayono. Drive, block by Pascual.
6 seconds.
Last 6 seconds. Aquino. Pass to Blaser. Steal. By number 8. Number 8. Nagmamadali. Number 8. Kick out. To Pascual. Isaiah drive. Miss. Rebound by Blaser. Blaser nagmamadali. Here comes Blaser. Kick out. Mercado for 3. Block. Rebound. And a steal by Pascual. Running shot. No. Rebound. Pascual. Basket. Grabe naman yun. For Onin Pascual. What a back-to-back basket for Pascual. 34-27. Timeout muna rito. Ang Team Marnie. Inadal ni Coach, playing Coach Arabi for this timeout. Time remaining 3 minutes and 35 seconds on the game clock.
Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game. Bola rito ng Marnie. Mercado, pass number 45, kick out to number 45, and that's a travel.
Traveling.
Bola rito ng El Viola. Number 8, pass to Pascual from elbow 3, in and out. Rebound number 71. Number 71, nagmamadali. Ayan na, dire-diretso para pass. Mayono.
Basket by
Ay,
Mayono.
Mayono. 34-29, baba sa 5 ang lamangan ng El Viola. Number 7, pass to Pascual.
10
Kick out.
seconds.
Pass number 7. Number 7, floater, block, rebound. Pascual only gets the foul. And a free throw area, number 17, Onin Pascual. First shot, kaliwete pala to. Si Idol Onin, no good. Second shot for Onin.
Foul. Number 25. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Mercado setting on the play. Oy, block. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Pascual. Pass number 7. Essie. Drive block by Aquino. On in. Wala. And a steal number 8. Oh, and it's a 3.
3 seconds
Violation.
violation.
1 minute and 44 seconds.
Hello.
Blaser. Uy, kick out.
10 seconds.
Mayono, jump shot, no good. Rebound ng El Viola. Pascual drive, basket.
By Pascual.
For Pascual. 36-29 and a steal. Ayan na si Onin, short.
Foul.
There's a foul. Bola rito ng El Viola. Wide open. Wala. Last 58 seconds. Ayan na. Bounce pass. Mercado.
50 seconds.
Pass number 2. Matake. Wala.
River.
Rebound by Blaser. Kick
10
out.
seconds.
Number 77. And that's a
3
3
seconds violation.
seconds violation.
40 seconds remaining time.
Last 40 seconds para sa ating first half. 36-29. Seconds na lang po ang natitira. Number 8. Pass to number 7. Wide open. In and out. Rebound. Pass to Onin. Wala. And a rebound by number 77. Ayan na. Nagmamadali. Mayono to Mercado.
Basket by Mercado.
Baba sa 5 ang lamang. Last 15. 12 seconds.
10 seconds.
Running shot. Oh, rebound by Blaser.
5 seconds.
4, 3, 2, 1. Mayono and gets the foul.
Foul. Number 25.
Mababot pa ang
Third
foul.
personal foul.
Bayang Mayono. Tingnan natin kung may papasok ni Mayono. 2 free throw.
River.
Missed the first shot. Second shot for Mayono. Mayono, basket!
Basket.
At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first half. 36-32. Magkakat muna tayo for the meantime at magbabalik. Lamang ng 4 ang Lower Viola. And this is your St. Joseph Basketball League 2026 battle for third. Babalik tayo for third.